Discussing a company called Box, who is making reusable boxes to try to make e-commerce more sustainable. In this article, it mentioned that in the holiday season alone, there were 3 billion boxes delivered. Uh, that being a huge recent increase because of a lot of the home shopping being done during coronavirus, instead of having to go to a store, a couple of clicks on Amazon, day or two later. So a couple of cases for me, it's been same day. We get what we order, comes in a box. Boxes are recyclable. There still is a cost associated with that. That cutting the trees down to make the paper, to make the cardboard, then collecting the cardboard for recycling, actually recycling it, and there's some waste involved there. A reusable box, it's a great concept. I am curious to see how they're going to make it work. There's a lot of, the biggest problem I see is how do you get the box from the end user back with all the different. I guess they would have to have a few certain size boxes that maybe could fit into each other, or knock the boxes down, and maybe have some sort of deal with UPS to collect those boxes. I could see that happening. But if it's a decently sturdy box, people just collect them, then not send them back. So I hope they've gone through this thought of what they're going to do. Maybe on some smaller, like stuff that gets bought on an exchange basis, like their cosmetics were mentioned in the article. Maybe you could send back the whatever you purchased for a refill. Then I could see it working. Or maybe a local collection in some heavily populated areas like New York City. Have a local collection area where they can gather a group of these boxes to be returned in a budget-friendly way.
Uh, I think the company is doing like it's an initiative to take on sustainability, and this company is trying to create a sustainable way for future. And they're kind of investing a lot of money into this new technology of creating a box cycle and reusability of the box, which will encourage people to reuse the box and reduce their um, hardware waste. Since in COVID-19, COVID, people are purchasing more and more e-commerce through online, which is increasing the wasteland with a lot of waste boxes. So reusable boxes will create and save money for companies and save trees. The also other thing is like a lot of companies want to do sustainable ways, and but the main issue is the initial cost is very high, and this company Box will reduce their other companies' initial investment. So this will benefit both companies by partnering with Box. And it's also a good example if you look at what Samsung is doing, reduce regenerating their box to be or repurposing their box uh, to be more user friendly and be more fun when they want to throw out the box. Instead of throwing it out, they will repurpose it to a like a storage box or something like that that they can reuse. And for the kids, it's more fun because they can create something out of the box.
This company, Box, I like what they're doing. They have a very large goal, though. I don't want to say it's unattainable, but it's going to be very hard. Their whole idea is to get a network of companies that are using this box technology. So that, let's say you buy a product from Macy's, then you want to return it, or you want to deliver it somewhere, or you want to recycle it. Another company like Walmart or Target can then use that box repurpose it for their appliances and things and for shipping and anything like that. That is amazing. I think if they just get Amazon on board, they will complete their goal. Because I can't even tell you how many Amazon boxes I've bought. Well, Amazon products I have that came in Amazon boxes. It has me worried though. It says that their boxes are using some kind of plastics. That is a little concerning. As we all know, plastic is not recyclable. Well, not recyclable to a degree. We're having huge plastic problems in the world at the moment, especially with microplastics. I don't really want to get into that, but yeah, it is a huge problem. So I like that companies want to use this recycling technology. Hopefully it catches on and they could make it happen.